Cryptocurrencies captured the world's attention once again in 2021 with their meteoric rise in value. Unfortunately, 2022 has not been as kind to the markets, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies seeing significant losses in value. So, will crypto recover? And if so, when? These are some of the many questions that many investors are asking themselves right now. In this post, we will look at what is going on in the crypto markets and offer our thoughts on whether or not they will rebound. Stay tuned. Why did the market crash? The first thing to understand is that many factors can affect the price of cryptocurrencies. Some of these are out of our control, such as global economic conditions, while others, like innovation within the space, are more within our control. In terms of the recent market crash, there are a few potential reasons why this may have occurred. First, it is worth noting that crypto markets are highly volatile and tend to experience large swings in value. This is a part of what makes them attractive to investors, but it also means that they can be quite unpredictable. One theory for why the market may have crashed is that some investors were cashing out their profits from the bull run earlier this year. This selling pressure likely exacerbated the decline, which put additional downward pressure on prices. Additionally, it is possible that the market was due for a correction after such a significant price run-up. This is not unusual in financial markets and is often seen as a healthy development. Of course, predicting the future is always tricky, but there are a few things we can look at to get an idea of what might happen with crypto prices in the coming months. First, it is worth noting that the market has already begun to recover from its lows in early 2022. This could indicate that the worst of the sell-off is over and that prices will start to trend upward again. However, it is also possible that this is simply a temporary rebound and that prices could fall again. Only time will tell. Another thing to consider is the increasing institutional interest in cryptocurrencies. In recent months, we have seen more prominent investors, including corporations and hedge funds, enter the space. This is usually seen as positive development, bringing additional stability to the markets. Additionally, these investors are likely in it for the long haul and are not as influenced by short-term market movements. This could help to support prices in the future, even if there are some bumps along the way. Finally, it is vital to remember that the crypto markets are still relatively young and immature. This means they are likely to experience more volatility than other, more established markets. However, they may become more stable over time as they continue to grow and mature. How to invest in crypto safely? Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, but there are a few things you can do to help mitigate the risks. First, only investing what you can afford to lose is crucial. This way, even if the markets do crash, you will not be putting your financial security at risk. Additionally, it is a good idea to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one basket. This means investing in various currencies and assets so that you are not as exposed if one declines in value. Finally, it is always a good idea to do your research before investing in any asset, including cryptocurrencies. This way, you can better understand the risks and potential rewards involved. One way to safely invest in crypto is by using tried and tested trading techniques. One of the most popular and widely used is technical analysis. Technical analysis helps you understand the market sentiment and help look at trends to make your investment. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView is an excellent way for beginners and experts alike to start cryptocurrency trading. With indicators, it will be easy, no matter your current experience level. The best part, you do not need any previous knowledge or experience because TradingView offers everything required when starting out with using technical analysis. Check out TradingView today. To learn more about technical analysis, check out our previous post. What steps can people take to protect their investments? A significant way in which people can protect their cryptocurrency investments is by storing their crypto on hardware wallets. These are physical devices which allow you to store your crypto offline in a secure manner. This is important because if your crypto is stored online, it is susceptible to hacking. However, if it is stored offline on a hardware wallet, it is much more difficult for hackers to access. Additionally, people should use strong passwords and two-factor authentication whenever possible to help protect their accounts. Finally, it is also a good idea to keep up with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space so that you can be aware of any potential risks. This way you have a better idea of what is happening in the cryptocurrency sphere. Out of the numerous different types of crypto wallets, there are two that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are here to stay. With their commitment to safety and security, these top-notch hardware wallets have become one of today's most trusted financial tools. Check out Ledger wallets today. Trezor is a revolutionary hardware wallet that allows storing, sending, and receiving Bitcoin without exposing your private keys. With this innovative product, you can safely manage your crypto assets with complete peace of mind knowing they are secure. Check out Trezor wallets today. If you want to learn more about wallets and safely storing your cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post. What needs to happen in order for crypto to recover? There are a few things that need to happen for the crypto markets to recover. The sell-off needs to come to an end, and prices need to start trending upward again. Institutional investors need to continue to enter the space and provide stability. The markets need to mature and become more stable over time. Only then will we see a sustained recovery in the crypto markets. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post. Are there any potential dangers associated with investing in crypto? Yes, there are a few potential dangers associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. The markets are highly volatile, and prices could crash anytime. There is always the risk of hacking and theft. There is also the risk that governments could crack down on cryptocurrencies, which could adversely affect their value. Be sure to store your seed phrases for all of your wallets in a safe place. This way, you will access your crypto, which is always good practice. What is the future of crypto? The future of cryptocurrency is difficult to predict. However, the markets may continue to grow and mature over time. This could lead to more stability and less volatility. Additionally, more institutional investors could enter the space, which would provide additional liquidity and stability. Ultimately, only time will tell what the future for cryptocurrencies will be. Blockchain technology is still in its infancy and has a long way to go before it is fully realized. However, the potential applications of blockchain are vast, and it has the potential to revolutionize several industries. Only time will tell what the future holds for blockchain technology. Many cryptocurrencies seek to solve real-world problems and provide a better way to do things. For example, Ethereum is looking to build a decentralized platform that can be used to create decentralized applications. Additionally, several other projects are working on solutions for things like payments, data storage, and identity verification. As the technology develops, we will likely see more real-world applications for cryptocurrencies. The future of cryptocurrencies is interesting. There is still a lot that has not yet happened. The space is still very young. The technology needs to continue to develop and mature. However, there is a lot of potential for the future. Final thoughts. So, will crypto recover? And if so, when? These are questions that many investors are asking themselves right now. In this post, we have taken a look at what is going on in the crypto markets and offered our thoughts on whether or not they will rebound. Stay tuned. We will keep an eye on the markets and update you as new information arises. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.